All right, we're live. All right, this is me and Kelton this week. Chris is kind of halfway dropped out. So here's number one. We just drew half of it because we didn't want to draw our whole picture that we have drawn here. So it's supposed to look like this, but we'll kind of go through.
Both of us drew our own drawings there. So.
Yeah, we have both have our own drawings this week. So we have our 5 and our 3' normal DNA starting out over here. We have Rosaki fragments that start out here. We have a leading strand and a leading strand with laggings behind them. Each one of these represents the helicase, the RNA primer, our helicase on this one, DNA primer, our poly 3. This is our ORIC or whatever it's supposed to be. I wasn't really sure where to put the poly 1, so I just did put it on there this week because still trying to figure that out. And then for number 2, we'll do a quick screen share here. We have for number 2, basically from our notes. We're not quite 100% sure on these, but as you can see, this is what we got. Basically find all this information in your notes. Real quick before we jump to number 4, we're still working on number 3, and we're also still working on number 5. But we're going to go through number 4 up on the board.
Okay, so number 4 is basically what Sister Mayo did in the video for us. And so we basically just did that step for step and transferred it from our notes to the whiteboard here so you guys could actually see what we were doing. And this here is our primer. So basically you had to look for the opposite of how it was running from 5 to 3. And then we just transferred that over, or you got this going on here now. That would be your primer starting it off. And then for A, it's
all the nucleotides lined up to be just to finish it off the strand.
So basically we just finished it off from that primer onto the end here. And then B was asking where basically you stop, or like when it's asking for when you get like the C in one of these over here, which would be the G. And so that's where you get just the A, and that's all you can go. So you stop. And further on down the way here is you stop at where you'd get a U
from RNA, which would be the A.
The A, but since this isn't RNA, you don't have any there, so you'd stop anyways. So you get AC and then end it there. And then D, you'd be stopping at the G, which would be right over here. For the C, and then it would be ACT, and that would be all you can go. So you'd stop there.
And that's me and Kelton's work for the week. Hopefully we can figure out the rest of 3 and 5. This is just the appropriate time for us to make a video together. So this is when we can meet up.